All right, now I can tell this is apostolic on the stage right now. I can look back here and tell. Oh, get ready for a good old apostolic good time. Please welcome from Joliet, Illinois, Greater Bible Way Apostolic Temple.
Put your hands together and get ready to claim the victory. I'm on the battlefield. I'm doing all I can to stay on. Yes, I'm fighting for the Lord. I'm doing all I can to stay on the battlefield. No matter what's going on, I got to stay on the field. It might get hard sometimes, but I gotta stay on the field. You might get talked about, but I gotta stay on the field. I got to hold on. I got to hold out. Grab your hook. Put on your sports team. Get ready for battle. Yeah. I got to hold on. I got to hang on in there. No matter what's going on, I got to hold on. God said he'll never go on. Then I can't back. I got to keep on fighting. I can't give up. I got to hold on. I can't give up. I got to keep on fighting. Yeah. No matter how hard it gets, I gotta keep on fighting. No grace was not given to the swift, neither to the strong. Gotta keep on fighting. I gotta hold on. No matter how hard it gets, I gotta hold on. God said he'll never leave me, nor will he forsake me. You might get loud. You might get talked about. You gotta stay on the field. You gotta hold on. No matter what's going on, you gotta hold on. God fighting. Ooh, yeah. Come on, put them hands together. If you're on the battlefield, you know you're going through something. Put them hands together. Give God some glory. Give him some glory in this place today. Claim your victory. Claim your victory. Claim your victory. Hallelujah. Yeah.
All right. Greater Bible Way, Apostolic Temple. Come on, Chicago. Let's celebrate them.